Alright, YouTube. This morning we're doing a 2002 A4 Quattro. And it's going to be changing out this mount, which is right here, right in the front of the car. Usually, you gotta go and pull off the whole front clip to do this, but we're just going to take a 6mm Allen head, pull it off, put the mount in, put it back on. So let's get some PB blaster on that bad boy and get to work. Let's see here. Probably a good idea if we had some good PB blaster, huh? Probably. Yeah, dead. So, 6mm Allen key, 6mm Allen key, 3 bolts, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and they call it a D nose, D stub nose, because, well, that looks like a D, and it stubs on the front end of the car. So let's see if I can get you a good angle here. See, all this goes together. This goes up in here like so, up in the hole, and it goes up in the hole up here. And then this goes up on there like that somehow. See? So, and it looks like the D goes up, not sideways. So, just take all 3 of them off, nice and careful like. Put it back on. Done and done. Don't have to take the whole front end of the car off. Okay, I lied. So, if you go and loosen these bad boys, 1, 2, and 3, this SOB, up and down, you can go and shove this in, and you shove this bad boy right into it. Let me take a little muscle, and you put it all back together, and call it a wrap. Tighten these on first, then tighten these bad boys on. And you can call this bad boy a wrap. So, here's your Audi stub nose front end, transmission, engine mount, whatever. So, like, subscribe, enjoy.